Good morning, YouTube model building community. Styrene Marine here with a final update on the Mutt Modeler motorcycle build part 2. This is the kit that I was building, which of course it doesn't look quite like that. Some of the parts didn't even come in the kit, like the brake cover. This derby cover wasn't in there, and it was a sealed kit when I got it, so they obviously don't pack them in. The wheels aren't chrome. Let's see what else showing. I think that's about it. Oh yeah, I didn't put the studs in the seat. So here's the unveil. This is my rendition of the bike. I've got it painted with the Spaztex color shifting. Oh, what did we do with this one this time? I believe it's the orange, purple, teal that I used. Yeah, the orange, purple, teal. As I spin it, it'll show up. Okay, why are we fuzzing in and out here? Too much front light. But anyway, here we go. Put her on the turntable. Now I see the clutch line came off again. All the lights were painted with the Tamiya clear, red, and clear yellow. Look on the turn signals there. See the paint effect is showing up a little bit here. And I said there was a pocket bike that came with it. Right there's the pocket bike that came with it. This was painted with a silver chrome base and the Tamiya clear yellow over the top. So yeah, we'll put the Micro Mini. I figured it out that this is either a pocket bike for the 1/12 scale or it is a sport bike for 1/25 because they're pretty close. And we'll just keep going on this one. Here's the dashboard. I think there's supposed to be a spacer that goes in here, but there was nothing that I found in the kit. I'll have to come up with something. But I'm not going to worry too much about it. And as we coming back around, you can see the shifting in the colors. I got the bike painted and started into it here with all these lights that are on it. I thought about getting another one of these kits and doing the bike from Electric Light in Blue. There's a movie back in I think it was in the 70s. But now here's the special little features that I did. I didn't think of the tight tolerances, so this isn't going to work. But I did make it to open like a Harley is supposed to open, from the inside out. But I can't get it open. It's too close to the trunk. But I did hinge the trunk, and the trunk does open and close, obviously. There's little special features that I did. This saddlebag the same way. I made it to open, but due to the close tolerances, which I didn't think about, it doesn't open. So that's my entry for the Mutt Modeler motorcycle build part 2. So Styrene Marine here saying have a good day and Semper Fi.